What is this called? Refrigerator. What is this called? Stove or oven. What is this called? Microwave. What is this called? Dishwasher. What is this called? Pot. What is this called? Pan. What is this called? Spoon. What is this called? Fork. What is this called? Knife. What is this called? Plate. What is this called? Glass. What is this called? Bowl. What is this called? Juicer. What is this called? Kettle. What is this called? Blender. What is this called? Mixer. What is this called? Dish. What is this called? Cutting board. What is this called? Teapot. What is this called? Kitchen towel. What is this called? Colander/strainer. What is this called? Frying pan. What is this called? Pressure cooker. What is this called? Lemon squeezer. What is this called? Teaspoon. What is this called? Tablespoon. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Chef's knife. What is this called? Meat tenderizer. What is this called? Measuring cup. What is this called? Kitchen scissors. What is this called? Food container. What is this called? Can opener. What is this called? Oven mitt. What is this called? Baking tray. What is this called? Oil dispenser. What is this called? Cutlery set. What is this called? Bread basket. What is this called? Bread knife. What is this called? Spatula. What is this called? Ladle. What is this called? Tray. What is this called? Apron. What is this called? Manual grinder. What is this called? Bottle opener. What is this called? Cake mold. What is this called? Measuring cup. What is this called? Chopper. What is this called? Skimmer. What is this called? Kitchen scale. What is this called? Pizza cutter. What is this called? Trash can. What is this called? Pastry brush. What is this called? Baking sheet. What is this called? Coffee maker. What is this called? Whisk. What is this called? Tea strainer. What is this called? Steamer basket. What is this called? Salad bowl. What is this called? Steamer pot. What is this called? Zester. What is this called? Toaster. What is this called? Spice rack. What is this called? Corkscrew. What is this called? Garlic press. What is this called? Hand blender. What is this called? Salad server. What is this called? Trivet. What is this called? Microwave safe dish. What is this called? Kitchen thermometer. What is this called? Masher. What is this called? Ice cube tray. What is this called? Dutch oven. What is this called? Multi-cooker. What is this called? Fruit basket. What is this called? Pizza plate. What is this called? Napkin holder. What is this called? Herb chopper. What is this called? Electric mixer. What is this called? Silicone spatula. What is this called? Dessert dish. What is this called? Yogurt pot. What is this called? Ice cream scoop. What is this called? Cutlery holder. What is this called? Coaster. What is this called? Oil container. What is this called? Egg holder. What is this called? Milk pan. What is this called? Immersion blender. What is this called? Platter. What is this called? Cookie cutter. What is this called? Mixing bowl. What is this called? Candle holder. What is this called? Funnel. What is this called? Dish rack. What is this called? Pizza wheel. What is this called? Freezer bag. What is this called? Jam jar. What is this called? Oil spray bottle. What is this called? Pasta pot. What is this called? Silicone oven mitt. What is this called? Towel rack. What is this called? Bread box. What is this called? Baby food container. What is this called? Food processor. What is this called? Watering can. What is this called? Scrub sponge. What is this called? Egg carton. What is this called? Condiment dispenser. What is this called? Drying tray. What is this called? Vinegar dispenser. What is this called? Stone pestle. What is this called? Salt and pepper shakers. What is this called? Milk frother. What is this called? Lunch box. What is this called? Espresso cup. What is this called? Gravy boat. What is this called? Coffee canister. What is this called? Soup tureen. What is this called? Revolving spice rack. What is this called? Garbage bag. What is this called? Cake stand. What is this called? Balloon whisk. What is this called? Butter dish. What is this called? Compost bin. What is this called? Beverage dispenser. What is this called? Serving tray. What is this called? Sugar bowl. What is this called? Cheese dome. What is this called? Butter knife. What is this called? Cooling rack. What is this called? Coffee scoop. What is this called? Tea infuser. What is this called? Food cover. What is this called? Crisper tray. What is this called? Manual meat grinder. What is this called? Yogurt maker.